In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. Okay, 6 divided by 1 over 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 6 times 6, and again here we have times 6. Okay, 6 times 6 gives us 36. So 36 times 6. 6 times 6 gives us 36, so we write 6 here and carry 3 here. No, 6 times 3 gives us 18, and 18 plus 3 equals 21. So 216, and this is our final answer to this problem.